Zamzu Production YouTube channel thir tu te in zawain si boy kan buk acheu ole tun tum chu khovel chanchin thar lampang in ngai thale don te ang North Korea chuan ballistic missile akap chuk le ta North Korea chuan nimin khan intercontinental ballistic missile ICBM ni hria chu akap chuk le a Japan rambul kilometer zan hi vel chewala atla ani Japan official te chuan North Korea missile ka chua hi US ramlaili po akap hanin ansoi Japan khothlanga lam Hokkaido Oshima Island atanga kilometer zani vela la tuipui atla ti Chief Cabinet Secretary Hirokazu Matsuno chuan asoi Japan Prime Minister Fumio Kishida chuan nimina North Korea missile ka chua hian thil ti chiat anei lo ti asoya ma se North Korean missile en chin fo hi an en liam mai to don lo tia soi ngal ani South Korea President Yoon Suk Yeol point North Korea missile ka chu adem thu soin US le Japan ne na security lama tho ho na thajok an nei defense lam thuam chaka tul thu asoi US State Department in achut danin nimina North Korea missile ka chu hi kum in ICBM a en chin tum riat na ani ICBM te hi nuclear ral thuam phur theine in US thleng po akap pha ane North Korea hian ninga ni khan short range missile alo en chin to boka an ram foreign minister Cho Sun Hui chuan US in South Korea lama sipai ada bel zelani chuan sipai chakna manga na taka chan le ta avo ani Cho hian US South Korea le Japan ten pathian nia summit an nei chu adem thu asoi boka he summit a hian ram pathum hroi tu te chuan Korea in ral thomen chin fo chu andem thu soin security lama tho ho na lian le thajok siam anrel ane India le US training exercise youth abhias high altitude LSC Uttarakhand chu antranta he joint military training exercise hi line of actual control LSC auli a November ni som paruk atang khan antrana ni som panga chung indo nun chan hi chi sang in an zero ho don ani Defense lam chuan kum ni Z India le America ten anti thei to lo nuwa practices method ideas tactics le ral thuam mandan anlan ti rang ati auli hi LSC tanga kilometer som panga le ka omni in US 2nd Brigade of the 11th Airborne Divisions of the US Army and Jawan Assam Regiment te 18th editions of the Indo-US military drill hian antel ane Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky chuan Russia airstrike thar wangin 10 million Ukrainians Z-10 power an nei lova Ukraine air defense in 6 cruise missile and 5 drones te an kap thla ani apartment block Vilnius southern city of Zaporizhia bula Russia missile strike wangin mi pasari anthi gas production east and missile factory Dnipro mite an ka fu bok ani Ukraine capital Kiev, western city of Vinnytsia, the port city of Odessa, southwest and semi-northeast miten and tuana sa zuwal ani. Ukraine largest cities Dnipro, Prime Minister Denis Simhalan, Pivden mass factory missile siem naka fu ani atibok. President Zelensky chuan Russia in remna andulawani ati. America top general Mark Milley chuan Ukraine in Russia ram opten lak let vek thei chuan so term of winning the war thei aring ani Swedish prosecutor chuan Russia Nord Stream 1 and 2 pipeline siat na chan chu sabotage te in thutluk na an siam prosecutor Mats Jungvich Baltic Sea Nord Stream 1 and 2 pipeline bulak puak thei noi mu ni in documented and analysis and preliminary investigation nei aboy thlak in hau takle ani Russian Ministry of Defense chuan Ukrainian President Zelensky chu war crimes wangin achung thu rel ngei antiama Russian prisoners of war tenun rong taka ngai sakna fin fiana an nei ni in anin chal Russia in Ukraine POW te Geneva Convention anga en kol ni in anin chala ma se UNHCR ten Russia la Ukraine te POW en kol dana rights of prisoners of war an bo chena sa ve anti Russia's Ministers of Defense chuan Ukraine sipai ten an man Russian servicemen somte nun rong taka thana video an pechuaka Russian RAI Novosti News Agency chuan Kyiv regime Zelensky hruaitemo apurtir ani. Russian President in Turkish guest hub siamdan tu Recep Tayyip Erdogan asoi puibok ani. American history Nancy Pelosi hi acham reng to anga kumsom pakwa zet Democrats lower house ho tu ni na sang achela sang kazakwa somrit pasaria tang khan Congress umenatan thantlin ani chho chara President Pathum George W. Bush Barack Obama le Joe Biden tenna atho puiman thang thar jok te tan mun ka kian tonge ati chuan standing ovation adong nge ani. Pelosi hian sang ni somni Pathuma seat chu atum to lo political career awi ve hlea ma se Republican le Democrat se thlir sang loin thucha asoya thian teu eng ni na po chel ula speaker leader whip ni na zom tak te min pe a San Francisco mi puite tan au chuak thein min siama house member ni in San Francisco le state ro puitak California tan ka thok zelang ati Nancy Pelosi hian Donald Trump kanan hun amang zawa President Pathum nat anha tho puitea President Donald Trump nen kumlit chung anin norna asoitel lo Bush Obama le Biden achau soin senior Republican stemming lam lo anga hle ani. Pelosi ai Democrats tanga o turhian alachiang lo hle a New York Hakim Jeffrey kum somret panipo acholdon Republicans ten House majority an nei tak sia chuan House Speaker tan Kevin McCarthy pro Trump ani ang Nancy Pelosi hi Democrats le Biden ten advisor status an pedon ani. Sang ni panni atrangin Pelosi America highest ranking woman in congressional history ani chawa sang ni parwa speaker ni na alu atran minute som pali thu soina nei hi thle a new generation te tan hun ka kian tonge Democratic caucus hian nau pangjok ma ni mo phurna ngai poimo intam hle ti in Democrats House floor mi te chibai buk kwal ani. Republican side ero han omreilo GOP's number 2 leader Steve Scalise and Pelosi standing ovation ape a Speaker Thartur Kevin McCarthy mel mutur omlo Pelosi hiana pasal Paul Pelosi in ngana lungphu mafaka January ni roka insurrection at the Capitol asoina American democracy hi aro pui ma se atlu cheolbok American mi puiten karma sakhan liberty of the rule of law and democracy te an hum him he in thlahna wang hin democracy tu chetur kanvenga violence and insurrection te hnol ni in American flag ading le ta ati ani. President Joe Biden and Pelosi bia in House Speaker hun reitak ani awangin lom thu Australia Nancy Pelosi soichuan dik na mel kamu House Democratic Caucus how to trangin chol ma se democracy hum him tu ani rengang ati Democrats atranga an leader thar to New York Representative Hakim Jeffries ani dona Nancy Pelosi hian Donald Trump an sang ni sompakwa State of the Union address anai tuma akut bendan kha alar le a Democrats hautan fundraising dollar luk le ding on khat amusak ani. Nancy D. Alexandro Pelosi hi Baltimore March ni somni parok sang kazakwa somlia lo piangin apa Thomas D. Alexandro Democratic Congressman Maryland le Mayor of Baltimore ni na achel thin ani ole khati jong kha tuna tana chanchin thar kan han bot sei thei te chu ani e